Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. So we'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies, Capricorn. So these are for your daily energies, Capricorn. And these are for your love energies. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let us turn the cards. Nine of Wands in reverse. King of Pentacles. Four of Swords. Capricorn, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are in a particular situation and you are thinking deeply within yourself what you need to do. That may be the correct way to do things, guys, because you need the energy with these cards is that you need a clear thinking and administration of your affairs to reach that success. So you have to think deeply, and you are a person of power and authority, stability. So you have a clear thought and a clear way of doing things. Things may go towards success for you today because of your deep commitment to your actions. So you think clearly and act based on that, guys. So that is the reason that a few things, though certain troubles may be there, certain obstacles or stress relating to your situation, you clearly have an idea what is your goal and what you need to do today, and you are taking the necessary steps. So you are not going to falter today, guys. That is the energy with these cards. So the main energy here is that you need to have that determination and deep conviction for your right action. So you have to think the right way with clarity in your thoughts and plan out your affairs clearly before executing, so you will reach that success. So this may also relate to your personal life, Capricorn. So maybe certain decisions with this relationship, you are thinking deeply, then deciding that is the correct way, guys. So that is the energy here. So let us see what are these cards. Queen of Swords, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Regarding this relationship, guys, you are feeling certain kind of a stagnation, something. You are feeling stuck somewhere. You do not know which way to go. You are feeling some kind of idleness. You just want to be there today, whiling away your time. You don't want to decide on your situation, or you are just resting. You do not want to go out meet this person. That may also be the energy here. Some kind of tiredness or idleness is there today, guys, for you all regarding this relationship. Maybe that may be because you want to spend time alone. Maybe you want to think deeply within yourself what you need to do before taking your next course of action, next step. So I was speaking about your stability and deep thinking before with the previous cards. So that may be the reason that you are just waiting for certain decisions or what you want to do. So you are in that waiting phase regarding this relationship, whether you want to take it forward or whether you want to leave this person. maybe certain things would have stressed you in this relationship, and that may be the reason that you are thinking whether you want to go forward, or maybe you are taking time. Maybe this person or yourself, you are thinking because of certain commitments regarding your work situation. Maybe you want things to go in a perfect way in your work situation, so that may be the reason that you're taking time to step with a deeper commitment, with a stronger commitment in this relationship, guys. That may also be the energy here, Capricorn. Or maybe certain situations in this relationship that would have uh, given you the thought to wait and think and then decide about this relationship. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So maybe this person is waiting to think deeply and come towards you, Capricorn, or this may be your energy towards this relationship. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today. I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys. Generosity. So the angels guidance for us today is generosity. Capricorn, the angels guidance for us today is that we may find people or situation that needs support, help. So it may not be a financial help, maybe something that is really heartfelt. So maybe sharing our time and energy with the person who needs. If somebody comes forward to help us, we can accept it and we can pass it on, whatever small way we can, to someone who needs us, who needs our support and guidance. So when we do that, we open our hearts to more love and affection, guys, towards this community, towards our family, and towards our friends, whoever needs our help. So that is the angels guidance for us today, guys. So we should be ready to dig into our hearts to help people. It may not be a financial, necessarily be a financial help. It can be a small help using our time and energy, guys. So that is the angels guidance for today, Capricorn. Hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated with you all, please like and comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.